Welcome to Pablo Auto Repair again, guys. I have a 2016 Ford F-150 5.0 Ford F-150 XLT. Okay, here is the truck. XLT, I'm sorry. XLT 150. Okay. 2016 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0. That's it. That is the right information. Okay. I am going to change the radiator, and here is the old one, and I need to explain you fast and furious like that because I need to finish soon as possible. Okay, you see the old one is out, and you see I didn't remove the assembly, so it's not necessary to take it out completely. And here is the radiator. Okay, the first thing you need to know, let me put in this. Was leaking from here, exactly from here was leaking, and maybe the seal is bad. Straight here is leaking. Okay, let me put this. I need to explain you the first thing you need to. I remove that, but I need to explain you. The first I did was I removed this hose to pick up the coolant. Yes, I remove it. I remove it slowly. I put this cover piece of carb, the box, to protect the alternator is right there. And then I remove this slowly and pick up the coolant. And I use this little container. I put here and disconnect just a little bit. I drop a little bit coolant, but I get a gallon. I get to pick up a gallon. Okay, after that, when I pick up the coolant, okay, remove the reservoir. Only has, you see, 2 bolts. Has 2 bolts. That one, this one, and disconnect this hose and this hose. This hose is easy because you see this clip. Let me see if I can explain you fast. Okay, only you need to lift it up, this clip, exactly right there. You see, when here is when it's like this, you can remove it. Remove the container, and after that I remove this hose from the radiator. It was a little complicated because this clamp is a little complicated because this I don't know how to say, but I remove it. Okay, I disconnect the negative to easier to remove this clamp, to get it out, and disconnect the hose. I disconnect the for lower hose radiator, the same like this one, but I remove it completely, but it's not necessary, only like this. And yeah, I disconnect this, and you see I don't disconnect nothing about the radiator fans assembly because only you need to, so there is a space. Okay, and the reason that I don't use the draining, the plow for take it out from the radiator the coolant because it's very hiding here. Here, straight here is you see the plow, because I didn't see under the car. The car is very low, low, and the reason I didn't want right there. Only for me was easy to disconnect the hose. Okay, and when you remove this assembly, and has to bolt the radiator. One bolt here is 13 socket. This one. And when the radiator, I remove that the radiator hose, bolt. There is the radiator is coming like this a little bit, and disconnect this bolt. I disconnect here because straight here there is not you can't. Then the was like this, maybe like this, and I use this range key ratchet 10 millimeter like this. Was easy, okay, for disconnect this bolt. And for disconnect the other bolt has two bolts. I showed you. Okay, and this side, so is the radiator is going like this. It's go like this, okay? Exactly. And has 3 bolts. This one I disconnect with the 10 millimeter I showed you. Okay, and this one and these two I remove it from this way. Okay, this is a cover. Okay, I remove this clip. I push at this, and you see this clip too is got it go in the radiator. Has three and this 1, 2, 3. Let me see. And here the clip here and here, and I use it in this way, like this. Okay, I put like this, and I can't show you because the camera I can get it the cellular right there, but I use like this and disconnect this clip is just a cover, and the bolt I use a quarter ratchet with the 10 millimeter. I use exactly like this. Okay, was easy. With these hands I reach it, the bolt. I disconnect the bolt. Okay, and this one with my ratchet key in this way. Okay, and here the same way I remove the cover for. Oh, sorry, I removed this cover. Sorry, I almost forgot it. The cover is here. I remove that one first. It's just clip. I use it this one too. Boom. And after that I remove this clip too, and here is just one bolt. You see, one bolt, and it's for the cooler, transmission cooler. Okay, and the condenser only in this side. Only in this side is don't have a bolt. Only is in this clip. You see, yeah, in this clip. Okay, only in this one. And when you remove this bolt, the condenser is coming out. Okay, and Let me see what else. I think so. Only that you need to remove it, and let me see. Yeah, that's it. And it's coming out. It's coming out. Only you need to move it like this for back side, moving for side, and yeah, it's coming out. Okay. Only this. You see this. Here goes the radiator fan assembly. Okay. And this touch here, but you need to the radiator, you need to do it like this and coming out. Okay, the same way in the other side. And I think so. That's it. You don't need to do nothing. Okay, hopefully this video helped you. I need to put it on because the customer was right here. Okay, and hopefully this video helped you, and see you next time. God bless you.